Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming along here today. I'm glad to see you all. Before starting our presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Yun Windani. I'm a student of mathematics education at Siliwangi University, and I'm originally from Indonesia. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about educational technology. I hope my presentation is not going to take too long and that you will find interesting. Okay, the purpose of today's presentation is to discuss about educational technology. In this presentation, I would like to cover 4 points. Firstly, I want to talk about what educational technology. Secondly, educational technology according to the Association for Educational Communication and Technology, AECT. And third, I want to explain about aspect to describing the intellectual and technical development of educational technology. And lastly, effect of technology on education. Okay, next slide. One of the defining features of development today is the relationship between educational and technology. We live in connected world, and estimated 15% of the world population now use the internet, and this number is growing at the remarkable rate. The internet has transformed how people access information and knowledge, how they interact, and the direction of public management and business. Digital connectivity holds promise for gains in health, education, communication, leisure, and well-being. Education and internet are interrelated to each other. In pandemic's time of 2010, online class are very important for students study. For that online class internet has helped a lot we can any information regarding our subject in internet. That's right. About educational and technology, educational technology are commonly abbreviated as educate or edutech. It's the combined use of computer hardware, software, and educational theory and practice to facilitate learning when referred to with its abbreviated. As such, it is often referring to the industry of company that creative educational technology. The next slide. Definition: educational technology, according to the Association for Educational Communication and Technology, or AECT, defines educational technology as the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological process and resource. It denotes instructional technology as the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of process and resources for learning. Okay, this next slide. According to our several described aspects to describing the intellectual and technical development of educational technology, educational technology as the theory and practice of educational approaches to learning, educational technology as technological tools and media. For instance, massive online course, the assist in the communication of knowledge and its development and exchange. This is usually what people and referring to when they use their term edutech. Educational technology for learning management system or LMS, educational technology as back office management, and educational technology itself as an educational subject. Such course may be called computer studies or. The next slide. Effect of technology on education. The key job that innovation needs to play in education is proportional access to a variety of the core tools that can make an important effect in the lives of both instructor and student. Some important themes can be indicative to create worldwide techniques to help advancement that match the particular needs of a developing society. Some of the significant topic is to guarantee that students have access to the correct learning material, particularly in their own dialects, since it guarantees a better comprehension of subject. Okay, maybe that's all I can explain in today's presentation. I will be happy to invite you to ask questions in this session. And of course, I will answer a bit I can. Are there any questions?
Thank you to Wiwin for the opportunity to ask a question. Introduce my name Adit Miswara, NPM 21215133. I want like to ask about is digital technology making children lives better? Thank you.
Thanks for your question. Yes, I agree. Why I agree? There are many things that confuse us. That the as digital technology today will help educate and provide a lot of knowledge from parents to children. Because if done right, internet use among children can increase their learning opportunities and build digital skill. Alhamdulillah, the entire series of presentation has been complete. I want to say thank you very much to all who were present at the time. I also want to apologize for all the shortcomings in the presentation that I wrote. Hopefully, there are lessons that can be taken by all. Thank you. Finally, I would like to finish by thanking you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.